G'day everyone, Joe Springer, Springer Solar. Here we are at a fantastic install. Summer's coming in Queensland. What does summer bring? Summer storms. Why not get yourself a Tesla Powerwall 3, never have a blackout again. So we've got the Tesla Powerwall 3 here, so as soon as we get a blackout, this will do a seamless transfer, seamless changeover, and run all the priority circuits in the house. So if you're worried about blackouts in Queensland, make sure your solar system has a battery. So this system comprises of 2 SolarEdge 10 kilowatt inverters, and then you've got your 10 kilowatt inbuilt solar inverter, hybrid inverter in this Powerwall 3 here. So we've got 41 kilowatts of array on the roof, Canadian Solar, N-type 465s, dual glass, great panel, coming down to our SolarEdge. So we've got complete monitoring through your Tesla portal, and also monitoring of the solar system through your SolarEdge portal as well. So the coolest part about this is actually doing a blackout test. So we're gonna take you up, we're gonna throw the power off to the house, everything's gonna keep running. You actually look forward to a blackout, you look forward to a storm when you got one of these systems, you can't wait to leave all your lights on, get outside with your favorite refreshment, say hello to your neighbors while you got your LED floodlight blasting out the front, making sure they all know that you've got a battery in your system and you're fully backed up. So let's go to the switchboard. So here we are at the switchboard. We're gonna do a blackout test. So this is the mains coming in. So during a blackout, you'll lose power here and the Powerwall is taken over. Lights are on, everything's running, all the priority circuits are picked up. So although the best part about this is you will never have a blackout during storm season in southeast Queensland, you're still getting your bill offset, you're storing your own energy that you can use overnight. There's nothing more satisfying than using the energy that you've created from the sun. We love doing these battery systems. Nothing more satisfying than putting a battery with a solar system. Thanks for watching, we really appreciate it.